colours have faded. But
soon be summer, Arnie. Soon be summer.
Around, wouldn't we? Familiarity.
That's if we're going to get a summer this year. I hope we do get a summer.
Colours of autumn.
That we have to wait and see, boy. Yeah, I'll wait and see.
I was back on this piece that I did it was a once in a lifetime chance and I made the most of it and really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the day. It's been a lot of fun. I think I'll keep on cooking, get better, and maybe one day I can into the professional one. I've had one of the best days of my life at MasterChef today. It's been amazing. I'm going to raise the bar from the course and I'm going to have a really good time like I did today.
Hadra will be back for the quarter-final, where she'll compete with 3 other heat winners for the title of Junior MasterChef.
Chris Johnson here with some big CDDP channel news. Turn over right now for all the dumping ground adventures with Tracy Beaker and then all the Barney Harwood antics with Crack Patrol.
Think he can beat us? The future belongs to my robot. It's only a matter of time.
Mission 21 Taken Premium. Today, 5:45.
Good day. Good day. Alright.
Right there, she is Sonali.
He is Arnie.
We've got the score and everything else you need to know right here live on